Good evening, friends. I think they put a time limit and they've asked me to say when to start, right? So I say my start time starts now. Architecture is a form of art. How exactly architecture is a form of art that imitates life is what we are exploring today. Architecture came into being as a basic necessity for shelter. Pa- Parallelly, various forms of art were explored by human. Art is an expression of creativity that makes one feel good. A work of art must inspire life. Architecture is an object of art and has to qualify in both ways look good, feel good. What is life? Eventually, it is all about happiness. None of us want to be unhappy ever. Hence, every human desires relates with happiness. Whatever we want to see or feel relates with happiness. How art came into existence. The desire for art is deep rooted in the human mind. And since Stone Age, humans have explored various forms of art. Over the period of time, art kept on evolving in various forms. Architecture too evolved in its style and fashion. When it comes to art, culture is not detached. Every region has its own culture and art form. There is no culture without art. Various art forms evolved by a different culture are testimonial of this fact. Nature is human and human is nature. All forms of life are product of nature. What appeals most to the human is nature. Anything that human can relate with has its own origin in nature. Art is equal to nature. Every form of art is derived from nature. Art and nature are synonymous. Human DNA is strongly attached to nature. Anything that human dream resembles with nature. Art plus nature plus human, the three together is architecture. Architecture is essentially an extension of nature into the man-made realm. It is not an isolated and self-sufficient artifact. Architecture is not a dead entity. Architecture has life in itself. Building forms are always inspired by the nature. Over the period, architecture evolved in its style, from period style to modern style, but time and again, nature remained the source of inspiration. Contrasting style, yet the same intent. Miss Van der Rohe designed a glass box, but the intent was to avail nature to its best. A school designed with bamboo and thatch roof in Bali also had the same intent. Both buildings have different settings and style and differ greatly in material usage. However, ultimately both in their intent remains connected to the nature. As many materials got invented over the period, natural materials remain close to the heart to the architects. We relate and connect ourselves more with bricks and bamboo rather than metal and glass. The reason must be the life that resides in the natural materials. Crazy architects in modern times, we had to go vertical, but we could not leave the nature behind. So we took the trees along with us in the tall building. In all, art is an experience. The two pictures shown in this slide, one represents a painting, while the other is a picture of an architectural masterpiece. The image of falling water cannot be appreciated by merely looking at it as an image. It is the finest work of architecture because it has its own experience. We experience architecture with all our senses together, hence it is much organized experience. We behold architecture in all our senses and not just in its vision. Even our skin is capable of distinguishing number of colors. We actually do see by our eyes, by our skin. This appears as an exaggerated statement, but to understand this, we have to become much more sensitive. There was an era when architects derived a new style of architecture where use of all type of decor was shunned. Eventually, decor came back in a new avatar. Architects used technology and invented new style of decor to characterize architecture in different ways. A distinct change has occurred in our sensory and perceptual experience of the world, one that is reflected by art in architecture. Architecture of Zaha Hadid and Antonio Gaudi both strongly represents the mindset of architect in the changing time. Technology has its own role in the art. As much controversial it may be, this picture is of perforated metal sheet, represents what machine can do in creation of new form of art. Computer-aided design today has reached to a different level. Parametric design technology help architect to conceive more complex form and build the same with perfection. This design could relate more with nature in its complex forms. At the end, architecture articulates the experience of our being in the world. Architectural experience brings the world into the most intimate contact with the body. That is why architecture is a form of art that imitates life to its best.